And now let us check how easy it is to switch from the manual control over the calibration process to the fully automated control by the calibration process. To do so, we simply go on the settings on our calibration player and switch from manual to the automated control. Go back to the execution window and press the button Run. It's as simple as playing a list of your favorite songs on your MP3 player. And Calibria moves the chuck to every of the selected calibration standard. So we go to the through standard right now. We measure the data, repeatability data, double check if the data are consistent. Then we check the raw data. Then after the data are collected, so we see that the LED button on the through standard turns green, means that all the data are consistent and good, can be used for the cal. Then we move to the next standard from the list, which is the through standard. We are currently over the through standard. Then we move to the open standard, collect the data for the open, and we complete the measurement process by acquiring the data set on the short standard. And after all the data are acquired and verified, Calibria computes error terms based on the calibration algorithm embedded into the calibration software. In our case, this is through match, reflect, reflect. It's a proprietary method developed by MPI. And after error terms are computed, they are pushed to the network analyzer, to the network analyzer cal set, and can be used for the further corrected measurements. So the automated calibration execution can be triggered, as we just saw, by the system operator or by sending a remote command from any other test executive software like ISACAP or anything else. So the calibration process is complete.